And thank you, sisters, thank you to all of you. Thank you for being loud. Thank you for being visible. For Gaza, for Jenin, for Haifa, for Palestine, for humanity. Sisters, it did not start on the 7th of October. I want to talk to you about one mechanism through which those who are in power claim to be confused when they witness genocide on social media. And this mechanism, sisters, is what they call the IHRA definition of anti-Semitism. Sisters, IHRA stands for International Holocaust Remembrance Alliance.